Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Easy Fix Tech Tips. So guys, in this video I will tell you that how you can hide a folder or any file in Windows 11. So guys, it's very simple. All you have to right click on a folder, then go to show more settings, then tap on properties. After that, check hidden and then apply, then OK. After that, if you can see your folder, all you have to do is hide it. So to do that, you have to open Windows Explorer and you just have to tap on View. Then go to Show More option. Then click on Hidden Items. You just have to uncheck it, and by doing that, you can hide your folder. So guys, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel Easy Fix Tech Tips. I will see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.